Hello friends, myself Surinder Mohandeep, Associate Professor in Mathematics from GN College Narangwal. In this video, I am sharing my views about preparation of academic calendar for higher education institutes. Before preparing this video, I would like to thank Mr. Piyush M. Pahade, President IQAC Cluster India, who guided me about the content of this academic calendar. Now, what is academic calendar? An academic calendar is a promise given by the institution to its students, parents, alumni, and other stakeholders. An academic calendar is to keep students and faculty reminded of key dates throughout the year. Calendars will allow everybody to coordinate schedules and save time. Or we can say academic calendar is a backbone of an institution. Levels of an academic calendar. There are four different levels of the academic calendar. First one is the university level, second one is the college level, then faculty level, departmental level. University level academic calendar. This calendar is framed by the university for its affiliated or constituent colleges. It will show the dates of opening the colleges after summer vacations, dates of admission, teaching for new and ongoing classes, list of holidays, starting and end dates of the semester examination. Then college level academic calendar. After receiving calendar from the university, principal of the college, IQAC coordinator, registrar internal examination and dean sports committee will sit together for finalizing the dates of mid-semester examination, annual athletic meet, prize distribution function, and other important dates, etc. Then faculty level academic calendar. At the third level, faculties, after receiving the calendar from the higher authorities of the college, the third level faculties will decide the dates for interdepartmental activities. For example, seminar by faculty of science, there may be a workshop, there may be two or more departments may combine for a particular activity, meetings, arrangements of tours and other important days, for example, and science day, etc., then industrial visit, etc. So this will help in preparing faculty level academic calendar. Then after faculty, departmental level academic calendar comes into action. Head of the departments will call a meeting of his or department after receiving calendar from the faculty. In the very first meeting, they will prepare departmental level calendar, which will involve the dates of field visit, extension lectures, workshops, special days, for example, National Mathematics Day, etc. Then project meets and remedial classes. This will help an individual teacher for the teaching plan, activities plan, and his or her research work, etc. So, in a very fantastic way, academic calendar, which starts from university level, after crossing these four levels, it is available for every teacher of the college as well as for every student of the college. Then types of the academic calendar. There are three types of academic calendar. First one is the management or administrative centric. Second one is the teacher centric. And third one is the student centric academic calendar. Management centric calendar. This type of calendar will decide about the dates of governing body meetings, fee collection dates, self-financing courses, dates for the academic audit and convocation day, etc. Teacher centric. An individual teacher shall plan for the research, teaching, faculty development program, university activities, and submission of documents to IQAC, etc. Student centric academic calendar. This would involve admission dates, fee payment, change of subject, beginning and end of terms, internal and external examination dates, tours, field visits, sports and cultural activities, etc. Although we cannot predict our future, but we must plan about academic calendar in such a way that the student-centric calendar should be least affected. Further, academic calendar should be framed in the beginning of the session and should be passed in the management meeting. And at the end of academic year, it should be certified by the top management that calendar is successfully implemented. Thank you.